In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell license keys, activation keys, or PIN codes. So for you to sell that, you can create it as a product by navigating to the store management section and select catalog. In the catalog page, you select products. So here you now proceed to click on the add button. So you notice that in the products create page, you have the option to choose the type of product you want to sell. So since we are going to be selling license key or activation keys or PIN codes, we go ahead and select this option. So the next thing we do here, we enter the product name. So for this example, we can call it PIN code demo. So for the description, say this is a test activation key. So for the meta tag title, call it PIN code demo. For the meta tag description and keyword, we leave it as optional, will not fill it up. So we proceed to the data section. So here we add the model number as 500. So this should be any number or letter. You can put a letter at the end of it. All right. For the price, we set it up as let's say 50. So what this means is since I have set up my store to use the dollar currency, so this means the price is $50. So we leave all these other options as they're optional. We make sure that the status is enabled. We set the sort order number as 10. So after setting up the data section, in the next section, we are going to set the activation keys. So this is where we are now going to list either the license key or the PIN code or the serial key we want to sell. So to do that, we go ahead and take this to activate the activation keys feature. So after ticking this box, we go ahead and click on the set activation keys button here. So this is where we'll now enter the keys that we are selling to the customer. So for the first one, we say 00, second one. So we enter the key on separate lines. All right. So this is just for an example. So each key has to be unique. So we can also add, in addition to numbers, we can add letters. So for example, we say D. All right. All right. So for this example, we'll enter, let's say we enter 10 keys. Okay, so this is now making it 10. So the next thing we do after entering the keys, we click on the save button. So once we have set the keys, we'll now proceed to create the email template. So this will be the email that the customer will receive after ordering this product. So we currently don't have an existing email template. So to create a new one, we click on the manage template button here. So in the email template editor, we go ahead and click on add template button here. So we add a title. We say this is let's say activation, or we say pin code, other successful email. All right. So you notice that in the edit section of the email template, we have two short codes. So this activation key shortcode will show the actual key that the customer ordered when the email is sent. And while this will show the download link that has been set for the product. So let's go ahead and type in our content for the email template. So we say, hi, here is your, let's say, license key. Right? So we can say, we'll say open this link to learn about how to use the license key. Right, so this is just an example. So after entering your email template, you go ahead and save. All right, so now that we've saved, we proceed and close the window. So after closing it, it refreshes the page. So what we'll do next is we go ahead and fill in the information again. Let's say activation key demo. All right. So we leave the meta tag, description, and keyword. So here we add the model number, set the price. All right. Sort order number, set it as 10. So we set the activation keys again here. Okay, so all right, so this is 10. So we save again. So you notice that when we come back to this option, you see that the email template we created is now available. So we select it. So here we can set the link. If this is, if we are selling the software, we can set the link where the customer can go to download the software. Or we can set the link to a step-by-step guide that the customer can follow to activate the key. So let's say for this example, we just type in a test link. So say mytestlink.com. All right, so after setting all this, we proceed to add the product image. All right, set the category. All right, we leave all these other options as they're optional. So all these sections are not necessary. So we go ahead and save. All right, so you see that the new product has been added here. And since this is an activation key or license key product, you see that it has the key option here. So opening this, you see that this is the keys that we have set. So these are the keys that we are selling, that the customers should be able to access when they order this product. So we go ahead and save again. All right. So the next thing we do is we proceed to view this product in the storefront end. So here we'll now proceed to search for the product. You can see the product here. We select it. So we add it to cart. And then we check out. All right. So we now proceed to select the payment method. All right. So we place the order. All right, so you see that the order has been placed. So when a customer places an order to purchase a PIN number, activation key, or license key, for us to process that order, we navigate back to the admin panel. In the store management section, we select sales. So in the sales section, we select orders. So you can see that for the customer, since the customer has made payment for the order, you see that we have two new columns here. Number one is showing us the product name, and the second column is showing us the activation key that was sent to the customer. So if we open the order here, let's view the order details. So you see that we can proceed to update the order status by using this section. So let's go back to the order list page. So you see that in addition to these two columns here, since this product is an activation key or a license key, you notice that a new button has been added. So this button enables us to manually send the key to the customer. So clicking on this button, you see that the activation key, there's a prompt telling us that the key has been sent to the customer. So these are just examples of ways you can manage products that include activation keys. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up products that include license keys or activation keys, and how to manage customers' orders. Thank you for watching.